Jesus!
County in southwestern Indiana. Southeastern Pike County in southwestern Indiana until 1 p.m. At 12:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chandler, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes.
Du Bois is still under the tornado warning.
Large road and wall cloud in northern Warwick County reported by spotters. The following impacts are expected.
Oh, God!
It will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
God, everyone's losing stats.
Damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near until around 12:20 p.m. Folsom around 12:30 p.m. Dale around 1:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tennyson and Gentryville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Pike, Spencer, and Warwick.
What the fuck?
Issued a tornado warning for Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, southeastern Pike County in southwestern Indiana. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northeast of Jasper, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof. Debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Locations impacted, damage to roof. Windows and vehicles will occur. Crystal and Du Bois Crossroads. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties: Du Bois, Indiana.
In Nashville, Northern Indiana. Oh my God. Double header. Triple header! Looney! Good God. I'm sweating. Oh.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Du Bois County in south central Indiana until 1:45 p.m. At 1:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dale, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations include Jasper, Huntingburg, Trigger, Holland, Birdvine, Du Bois, Gilham, Philistine, St. Lawrence, and Bridgeville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties: Du Bois, Indiana. The tornado warning for East Central Union County is canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northwestern Kentucky. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a